Hello again, 7th graders. This is week 6. This is your first Schoology assignment for the week. This video just explains exactly how to do your assignment and gives you some hints. We're working in textbook page 302, 303. So these are the pages that you can go back to if you're feeling confused or you want to read more. But please don't forget that the actual answers to the question need to be submitted on Schoology. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you exactly how to get to that assignment. So let's get started on that. So the first thing you're going to do is log on to Schoology and go to our science class. It should look like this. In order to find your classes, you hit courses and then you select my courses from that list. You might have to go up and down on the page to find your class, but it should look something like this. It should say science grade 7 in your particular homeroom. You are going to click on materials. I have that circled in red, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page because it starts from the oldest and at the bottom is the most recent. So it's going to look like this. Your assignment for today is called alternative energy. Anything above that you guys should be working on or completed. So please make sure that you're keeping up. I know some of you just got your computers. It's never too late to start. Please remember you will be getting grades for this time off of school still. All right, so enough about that. Let's work on your homework for today. I want you to decide if a town should use solar power or hydroelectric power as an alternative fuel using the town information table and the town picture. So you're going to be like the mayor and you're going to decide what the town should do. So just to remind you, solar power is power created by the sun through the use of solar cells. So this is going to be our active solar energy. So hopefully your town has a lot of sun to make this work. Let's go to hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is created by water that spins turbines. Turbine is a special type of engine or motor that when water flows over it, it can produce electricity. All right, so your requirements for this assignment. You need to choose only one type of alternative fuel. So it's either going to be solar or hydroelectric. It's not going to be both. You are going to write one sentence explaining why you chose that alternative fuel that includes information from the chart or picture. So it's basically like evidence from the chart or picture why you chose that. So you can't just say, oh, solar or oh, hydroelectric. You need to support it. You're going to use a sentence starter. The sentence starter for this activity is, I chose blank. I chose this because the chart or picture showed that the town has ... All right, so I want you to use that format when you submit it to me. Just a reminder, the work is being submitted on Schoology. If there's an issue, let me know and I can give you an alternative way to submit it. If you want to just write this on a sheet of paper and send it to me via email or Schoology message, that's also fine. Just make sure you're including your name in the picture so that I can mark it off on my gradebook. All right, so here's the picture of the town. So on first glance, I see that I think it's on a hill. I see quite a large river. It looks like a pleasant town to live in. I see some trees. So is there any evidence from this picture if the town should use solar energy or hydroelectric energy? Let's move on to the information about the town. So I've got number of sunny days is 57, okay? Number of cloudy days is 308. Please remember that there are 365 days in 1 year. So 308 plus 57 equals 365. So we're looking at the number of sunny and cloudy days in 1 year. The geographical features of the town has a really big river that we saw in the picture. It has hills and it also has some waterfalls. So again, based on this information or the picture, do you think this town should use solar energy or hydroelectric energy, and explain why? That's it, guys. Please contact me if you are feeling confused or need extra help. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say.